Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down here to the additional settings. Now just scroll a little bit more down, and if the developer options they activated, you'll see here the developer options section. And now just to hide the developer options, you should click here once on the switcher, and by this way we can hide them. Now when we'll go back here into the settings application and when we'll tap again to the additional settings, we can see here that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.